Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And yes, Kobe has dropped another video. Now in this video, I know y'all can see by the title, I will be trading with $50. Now I don't know the number that I will, be trading up to, but only y'all can tell. Only time can tell. So just keep watching the videos and please watch the whole video. Y'all don't want to miss it. But that's all I'm gonna say. I'm not gonna bore y'all with the intro, but we gonna get straight to it. Alright, so in this clip, I really did actually think that we could actually reach these daily zones, daily support levels here. But I was too stubborn. I seen all the rejection signs and I went through with the trade. I didn't get out essentially until it hit my break even, y'all. And that's what happened. Don't trade like this. Don't trade like this. If y'all see signs of a rejection, if y'all see signs that the trade is about to reverse on you, get out the trade. But as y'all see, or as y'all will see, I'm about to get took out in this trade. This trade was a break-even trade, but at the end of the day, I know what to look for next time, and I know what to do next time. When you know better, you do better.
All right. So as we can see, I am indeed in this sale now. Oh, sheesh. Oh, let me redo that. So as we can see, I am indeed in this sale now, and the whole concept of this challenge, well, not challenge, but the concept and theme of the whole episodes that I have going on is just simply turning $50. As we can see, it was $50, but the commission. But as we can see, go to transaction history, I'm basically turning $50 into a big account number. Now as we can see, my deposit was indeed $50 here. Now I understand that many of you who are indeed watching my videos don't have $100, $200, $500 to work with. So I am just showing that it is indeed possible to turn $50 into, let's just say, $200, $300, or $400. Our account is indeed at $72 now. If we go to account history, as we can see, we are up 22. Our first trade was indeed a success, as we are indeed up 21 or 22 on our account. This will put our account at 72 equity. But just to give a quick rundown on what I seen in the markets was, I seen that we were actually coming bearish in the markets. We were coming off of this daily zone here, and what I seen was, I seen price actually come back and retest this 5-minute resistance zone, as we can indeed see. And I just waited for a rejection on the 1-minute chart, as we can see how this was the 9:30 candle or 8:30 candle here. We came up for a rejection. I entered on that rejection, and as we can see, price is pushing down wonderfully like I expected. But this is just what I seen. It was nothing but a small pullback on the 1-minute chart and they entered.
Now all I'm doing is the same thing over and over again. All I am constantly doing is looking for a rejection to one zone. Now it's more than just looking for a rejection. You want to know the patterns and you want to know the signs to look for when taking these type of trades. And now if you just listen and if you continue to watch the videos, this strategy can make you a lot of money.
Just actually, I'm gonna close at 22. I want some cushion. I just want a little cushion on the account so that I can actually get this thing started and away from $50. Now that we are indeed coming on it 1 to 3, I do actually think that I am going to close here. Now we closed at 22.
Alright, so now as we can see on the screen of the video, now this was indeed today's trade, but the only reason why we don't hear audio is because the audio was quite shaky. Also, it was echoing my voice, so I decided to just cut out the voice phase for this video. Alright, so now what I seen on this trade was, you know, we were overall bullish on the day, but we were also at a daily zone here. Now that I see that we are at a daily zone, I was kind of thinking to myself that I could actually take sales, you know, for the mini pullback to the downside before we actually continue to the upside here. Now, I would actually like to point out what I seen on today for my gain of $60 on today. Now, if we go into replay mode, as we can see, let's speed up the trade. Now, I marked up a zone where we could potentially reject from to see a mini pullback in the market before we actually continue to reach highs up here. Now, I know y'all can't see it, but you know, the previous highs all the way back, you know, from months and months ago. Now, as we can see, I marked up my zone, and what I did was I waited for a nice rejection candle to the specific zone to take my sales. Now, as we can see on the next candle, on the 840 candle, I took my sales, and as we can see, price smacked my TP. Now, I was initially, you know, I did, you know, have my TP set for these lows down here, but I seen that the 830 candle had a long wick at the bottom, and I know that price likes to reject, you know, wicks in zones like this, as we can see. Now, I know this type of reversal pattern. I know when I see this, we could potentially reverse and continue to the upside or downside, whether, you know, which way we are going, essentially. Now that y'all are indeed done with the video, I hope that y'all did enjoy what I have for y'all today. But I just want to let everybody know I don't deserve and I don't take the credit of what is actually happening right now. This strategy, you know, I want to thank Jesus Christ. He was the key to actually finding this strategy. I want to give him all the credit. Seek him first, and he'll take you places that you have never been before. This is the end of the video, but like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed. Keep seeking God, and peace and blessings.